Hi, my name is Benjamin Lang. I'm a student at the University of Gävle, and
My name is Alvin. I'm a student here at Uppsala.
we had a challenge for the smart city of Uppsala, and we came up with through the comprehension plan of Uppsala and the climate Uppsala climate protocol for 2050. We came up with a solution with the app, a hub, such as that will measure our sustainability behavior instead of like in innovations. So we can create innovate. We have innovations. We can electrify Kungsgatan. We can have vertical gardens and stuff. But we need to focus on more on the behavioral part of the sustainable thinking and the view of it to make people change their behavior instead of just make electrical buses and stuff like that. So that's the whole idea. The 4 focus goals are air pollution, energy, transport, and food. Yes, and yeah. So about right now we're on like 7 tons of carbon dioxide per person per year, and we need to be at 0.5 tons. So it's a massive achievement, mountain to climb, but I think we can through the behavioral change instead of like the innovation change, a combination of the two. So
So as a few other groups, we figured why not an application that tracks your carbon dioxide footprint throughout your different actions. So you could connect this app to your credit card that tracks what kind of food you buy and translate this into carbon dioxide equivalents. And the app should also track your transportation. So we have the interface where you select your mode of transport and it tracks your distance and then translates that into carbon dioxide equivalents as well. And all this data ends up in easy access graph that shows how your carbon dioxide footprint changes over time. And so to change people's behavior, then you need some sort of incitament. And we figured, why not make it into a game where you can compete with your friends. You can see which one of your friends has the least carbon dioxide footprint. You can get achievements. Let's say you buy vegetarian food for a week. You get an achievement for that and stuff like that. And we figured you could also go into more detail. You can compare your stats with your friends, and there could also be like a chat function. You can ask your friend, hey, how did you get so low? Well, I took the bus instead of taking my car, or I bought this food instead of that. And to further this information, you could have some easy access tips on how to reduce your footprint. You could link this to different web pages that tell you how to reduce your impact on the environment.
yeah, we checked out a study that showed that a neighbor put on solar photovoltaics on their house roof, which shown that the neighbors in the area and the people next to you are more likely to change your behavior than some sentiments that the commune will come up with, or something like that. So we thought that this app, the behavioral app, will create a more, the change the behavior on the large scale instead of just talking about it and stuff like that. So anything else? No? Yeah, I think that's it. Thank you.
I wonder if those behavioral changes will be permanent character or just temporal for the time being while you're doing the experiment.
If the change will be temporal or consistent, they have to be permanent. They have to be permanent because of the climate change, the urbanization, the carbon dioxide emissions, the running out of fossil fuels and stuff like that. So we need to change the behavior and use the innovations that we have today to create this like behavioral change.
That means the incentives must be permanent, right?
Yes, that was the answer. Brilliant. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much.